abro ng'iye at two angles, but kiyena to akunga wache wach point mathin about ng'at Matiang'i. Dongo wacho ni en jama Matiang'i.
Dongimbi firo wanga.
An ng'at Gladys wanga go buro dinga. Koro luonga ni ng'at wanga gi ng'at buro dinga. Aluonga ni ng'at Matiang'i.
Koro kendo waweka.
Sido en jaket sirikal tesi. Koro gima do wache niya. Nitiere gik mabende kawuok from a quarter moro to nyalo rabuogi because okapar ka Matiang'i nigi moral authority moro e Kenya ka mar complain ka gik makamago kotimore gin gik maricho kendo ok wanyal accept but nitiere jok moko mok nya yienegi mondo giwach ni gigo richo because gin ema nigi train police go how to do those bad things Matiang'i emane otelo ne ting'o bodies gi misike kitero Riwayala. At least
no
don't wale uto no neno police go. No uto no neno police go.
Na neno land cruiser no.
Koro mari no allegation just a minute. It's my time. Nikech ndalo mane gintie kuonde go eko emane shoot to kill giri kowuoke. So ng'at Matiang'i bi puonj sirikal change gik ma en noketo in place. Adwa biro mondo watch something about retreat mar wabunge. First adwa congratulate wabunge wa for bedo steadfast with the government. While we support the government, ni winjo kata ka makamu ka nyocha wantiere twak mar joluo, nyocha wacho ne wabunge wa, nyocha wacho ne ministers ni keluru timuru gik mopogore. Anyocha wacho no luga specifically konyise ni watemo lando SHA to SHA nigi challenges. SHA ok ti maber. The truth en SHA tiyo en nitie challenges ma entiere go. And king'iyo issue mar pesa molal, an asebedo e assembly, I'm also an accountant. Samori bro yudo ni ki analyze reports, yes, pesa nyalo bedo ni lal in the government, and let me put wakete ma maler ne jo mondo understand. Pesa nyalo bedo ni lal e government, but nitiere gimiluongo ni reporting, financial reporting. Reporting ma finance, samoro expenditure moro sebedo undertaken to poke the journals, books of original entry, obedo brought mondo mi gibedo analyzed with the auditor. So some auditor, samoro as at that particular moment, jomano mikata LT&T, kata jomoko manodhi on trip moro, jomano on training moro, poko duogo account for what they were given. To sechego the auditor has come. So you realize this money are still not accounted for. Samoro kimiyo gi a week or so, to jogo will have returned their gibiro bedo ni gise return, bring returns on their expenditure. Tibro, the 10-11 billion samoro is just but a story as at that time. To proper paperwork, so your team to jogo bro bedo no se return. To because SHA has a lot of activities. Mostly deal with service based. They are not capital based or invest on capital. They are investing on services. So you know some of these services, the rent somewhere have been paid, but they have not returned they have not made their returns. Typically, somebody watch 11 billion. So at the right time, again, Duale could laugh it out. Because as an accountant, I know. Ni kata in mabasa in a school, in a luchiwo, petty cash, there's somebody, but then you see, one investigative bodies. And these investigative bodies were not established yesterday. And in fact, Kataka minister is a new person in the ministry. Does not mean detain that ministry are new. Nitie kaka nyocha around those things. Koro yudo ni samoro Duale might laugh it off because ongeyo. Geja bingeni samoro kidibedo ask that question. Tisepenjo your officers. So saying, no, these people have not accounted for what they have. That's why we have that variance. This money. So, yes, but okay, the truth in many occasions, auditor general, Karaka, Samoro counties are being audited. Yes, I don't deny corruption. Corruption is a menace in our country. But Samoro financial reporting, Timore at a moment, they have not done the returns. So there is always a variance when an auditor is making. But then I also want to encourage our members of parliament, Nimondo given more stringent on the ministers. And they do Ogonia Gugitel only to Alabalu down there in Naivasha. Yet ministers get people Maginyalo summon. Parliament has power to summon every day at any given time. So if they have not summoned Ogamba properly in parliament, Kaka koro gi deal kode thoroughly outside there. That was just but a retreat. A retreat is a place where they were supposed to discuss policy and a few things, although they also address challenges. But these are very strong challenges. Manegi address. Muinjo Beni, they summon Ogamba procedurally into parliament so that they can have time. Very many topics to be dealt with in a retreat. So, Kaginya Lobe elaborate discussion with Ogamba so that they can analyze. And fine, you told us 96% have gone to school, but in our side, we want to look at this one is not the case. So that is the opportunity members of parliament have. In fact, opportunity kaka maginoja no winjo before the public. Because actually they have parliamentary time, they have parliamentary committees and subcommittees. We should do that thing. And I news of their anger, especially now. But I want to also encourage the ministry. Mondo give very quick. In facts and data preparation. Mondo me whenever get you data, to be data is making sense. Kikobe data is just being said. To nikech even members of parliament, some of them are data analysts. The data analysts can come out like we told. Then there are some simple things which ministers also should not do. Even if I was a minister, yes, I may be very busy. But Okanyal Tamaramako, Simu the whole day, the whole week. In fact, and there's a friend I blacklisted because he failed to pick my call 5 times in 5 different days. I said, this one, am I serious? So I from Gimane, Mheshimiwa Lilian Gogo, I saw Bogamba as a person who is not very serious. A whole member of parliament representing people cannot call you, text you. In the worst of it, a constituency and she calls you and you don't pick. And then it team or something else. Maybe you are a promise. Maybe you promise. Mark fulfilled. Member of parliament, me pay you.